Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. We're going to do something Mother's Day and we've got some new stuff to see. It's a new month, which means it's a new Madame Glam collection. This is the House of Life collection. I will put an affiliate link in the description, and if you use that and use the code MISSJO30, you can get a whopping 30% off your orders at Madame Glam. They're also having one of their 50% off sales on the 16th and 17th of this month. So keep your eyes peeled for an upcoming video because I'll let you know what the code is so you can get 50% off. But you can get 30% off 24/7 outside of that, all the live long day, using my code and the link in the description. So these are the colours. I won't try and describe colours. I'm not very good at this. One's green. Does that, yeah? Blue, light blue. Oh, I have a message. My friend's, one of her son's schools has got all the kids to lie down on the playground in red, white and blue, doing the Union Jack. That's pretty cool for the special event tomorrow. Although, why are they all lying face down? It looks like a premeditated, very well constructed massacre. Oh, I find myself hilarious. So we're going to swatch these now. I'm only going to show the first coat because they're super opaque. I do two coats. But we'll just look at the first one because you can see the full opacity from that because they are so opaque, their colours. And then we'll do a Mother's Day design with it. I noticed the other day, just talking about discount codes and things. Hello, my sweet angel pie. Would you like to come and sit next to me? Come on in, on your mat. Come on, Dex. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Sorry, Dexter comes before everything. Yeah, the other day I get emails when you spend, and I earn commission from other places as well. So there was an email the other day from Born Pretty, and one of you had a little bit of a spend, didn't you? I see you. It doesn't tell me any details about what you ordered or your details, nothing like that. It just tells me the amount that was spent and therefore what commission I get from it. So thank you for using my affiliate link and the discount code. I really appreciate that, and I hope you love what you got. I see you, big spender. Yeah, I hope you like your goodies. Oh, look at this blue. It's so gorgeous, Guardian Angel. Oh, and this one as well. I love blue at the moment. Well, it's my favourite colour. I always love blue, but I'm currently feeling blue. Not sad or the other type of blue. Do you remember when they were called like blue movies? So this is the last one, the purple, which is Healing Glam. And then we're going to start with white, not a colour from this set, but as a base for something. So we'll have a look at all of them together. And just a reminder that you can get 30% off using the code MISSJO30 and the link in the description. The orange one, the really orange one, is more coral, I think. And the second one is more pink than orange. I don't know how, I suppose it's going to show different on people's screens, isn't it? So we're going to start with their perfect white. I'm lying. I'm sorry. I never want to lie to you. I'm starting with Riverwalk, which is white. Riverwalk and their perfect white. They're both super white, but one's sort of white without the blue light filter on, and one's white with the blue light filter, if that makes sense. You know, the filter you can have on your phone. So I've cured that, and then I've done a coat of foil gel. Foil gel. Ta-da! And I've cured that. And then I'm taking this flowery foil and we're just going to cover the nail with it. It's not a clear foil, so you can put it on any colour, I suppose, but I like to put it on a colour that is closest to the background of the pattern on the foil. So I put white down just to give it a bit of backbone. And also, if I'd put it on a different colour, because foils are so thin, I didn't know whether that colour underneath would darken it if it wasn't white. So we popped that on, rubber-dub-dubbed, and then topped. And that was it. And now we're taking Healing Glam. Oh, okay. I've got two things to say. Let's do it one at a time. This sort of pattern layout is designed, inspired by Academia Christie Nails. Oh, sorry, huffing. I think he gets annoyed when I'm sat here talking, and he's like, "You're not talking to me, but who the fuck are you talking to?" So this layout, this design, I suppose, was inspired by a picture by her, and I've done 2 coats of the purple, and then I've taken the Riverwalk again and used my brush to make most of the shape, and then I'm using their long liner brush, the Madame Glam one, just to neaten out the corners. But we are going to go around the corners again, so don't worry too much if they're not perfect. And then I cured and wiped and buffed because I want to put foil gel on it. Smashed it. But once we've cured this foil gel, I was thinking about it too much then. Once we've cured this foil gel, then we will put the foil onto it, but we only want the foil to stick to that. And if we had the tacky layer of the purple, if the purple was still tacky, some of the foil would pick up on it. So I wiped it and I buffed it for extra prevention, but also so that what we put on top of it, the top coat, will have a decent surface to grip to. If you've been here a while, you probably knew that whole sentence before I even started it, because I harp on about it all the fucking time. And now we're going to top coat. Yes, but it's velvet top coat. And then we're going to shiny top. That's Madame Glam velvet as well. And there we go. This is going really fast, and I'm trying to keep up, and I've got so much I want to talk to you about. This is their shiny top coat. So instead of doing, you could have done them separately, like just velveted where you want velvet and just shiny where you want shiny, but it was just easier to get the velvet on all over first. I would recommend, if you're going to do it like that, do the velvet first, because the subsequent shiny that we put over the foil has a better surface to grip to than if you did shiny all over and then just velveted a section. Does that make sense? Paint doesn't stick on a shiny, dry surface very well. Okay. And then we've used their white gel paint just to go around that rectangle and give it a sort of frame. So that was what was inspired by that girl's name I put in the top right there. And then the rest I was making up as I went along because I had no idea what to do. So we're adding a little heart with 2 dots using a dotting tool, and then we're just going to join them together. I really made a pig's ear out of that heart. They're super easy, but sometimes the easiest things, I don't know, I just messed it up. I don't know, overthinking. I had filmed, and dots, of course. I had filmed a whole set for this video for Mother's Day, didn't like it, got annoyed, threw it away. Well, it went in my rejection pot, and then started again. So I was kind of a bit stressy because it was like 2 o'clock in the morning at this point. I've sped up what we're doing. I'm sped up this first M because I was out of shot quite a bit, but I go normal speed. We're going to put a heart there. This is normal speed painting, just to show you how slow I paint. Don't ever feel like you should paint as quick as they do in Instagram videos or TikToks or whatever your preferred social media platform is, because there's editing and there's speed ups, and it's not real. So this is real speed, me painting. So I've done 2 straight lines, joined them with a V, and then I'm just creating my own font. So we'll just give them some serifs at the top and bottom. And I was very aware this was not neat. and I wasn't doing the best job, but again, I'd already filmed a set, wasn't happy with it, so I was kind of like not giving a fuck at this point. But I think it looks all right. It's a lot smaller in real life than it is on your screen, so it's less visible that they're not that neat. So that was it, 2 M's. And then that was with the white gel paint. And I think this is as well, but you can use the gel polish if you don't have the gel paint. And then I'm adding a heart, and then stupidly realized that I'm going to, because we're going to foil this heart. So, but because, right, what am I trying to say? Because I want it matte, apart from the shiny heart, I should have matted the purple before doing any of this white detail, because I like when I'm using white gel paint to do it on top and it be the last layer, because it doesn't need topping. So it stays sort of the brightest white it will be if you put it on top of everything. So then I thought, right, wipe, buff, so that when we foil, it only sticks to the heart, which we're doing now. So I'm adding foil gel just to the heart, and then I'll put the foil on it, then matte top, then shiny top the heart, and then I also went over the M's with gel paint again, just because I prefer them to be on top and to brighten them up a bit. This is going really quickly. So the full nail that we did with foil, I did 2 of those. And the nail where we did the rectangle, I did 2 of those, but the rectangle was just in a different place. Look how cute that looks. So there's really only 3 nails to show you, which is why I'm talking a million miles an hour, because I know that it's a short video. So I've topped that with velvet, and then I'm shiny topping the heart, and then I'll add some more little hearts and dots to tie in with the ones we put on the rectangle nail. I think I'm done. I think that's it. I think I've said everything I need to say. I'm in a weird mood. I'm stressing because I've got a new phone. I got the S23 Ultra, and it's fucking huge, and it's really heavy, and it's hurting me physically. My hands and my wrists and my arms and my shoulders and my neck, which are buggered anyway, are really suffering. So I'm contemplating switching, because I think I'm in a grace period. But the camera is amazing, and there's this astrophotography thing with it. I don't know what to do. But there's no one here to vent to, and Dexter doesn't seem to give a crap. So I'm telling you. Let me know if you have the S23 Ultra, how you're getting on with it, especially one-handed, you know, with reaching things. Is it giving you hand pains? I need like a second opinion on what to do. I can't make decisions by myself. I'm only pretending to be a grown-up. I'm not a professional. I still need a confirmation sniff on whether the milk's gone bad. Can't make a decision like that on my own. So I'm outlining you'll notice there's more dots now than when I went to put it in the lamp, because I'm a dotaholic. And I'm outlining the heart with the white gel paint, which I think would have been easier to do if I did it before top coating that little heart, because there would have been a flatter area or flatter nail to get sort of a better outline. But that's fine. The funny thing about these nails is that we've had Mother's Day over here already. It was in March, I think. So, yeah, that's why I did a heart in the middle instead, because I know that some places spell mum, M-O-M, mom. So I thought, well, a heart will work for the U, the correct use, the correct spelling. I'm kidding. The U or the O, however you spell it. So this is the collection, the House of Life collection. Don't forget you can use the link and the code detailed in the description for money off. And bear in mind that bright orange is a lot softer in real life. I hope you like this set. Let me know what you think in the comments. Come say hello. I appreciate you guys so much. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.